Now, no kidnapper. No, let's not big. Enough is enough. Justice! Justice!
Don't tire, you go Sambisa. If I talk, don't tire, you go Sambisa. Go Sambisa.
But watch my back. But boy, watch my back. But that car don't turn up. Oh. PS protest. Leave my one breeze now.
I love it you. Okay. Let me
Yeah, done.
This country now, this country country now. This country.
Mascara, Jagas, we go there, we go storm the yard. But before we do anything, I want to give a special announcement to the police. We are begging you, please, now peaceful protest we can do. Day or day, make we day like day. As I'm talking to you, this is not Surulere, this is not a bomber show. Boys don't carry back, they don't tool up, they don't clap up. If we not crack, then go crack. If we not crack, then go boom now. So please, we don't want that kind of casualties. We want to have a peaceful protest in Port Harcourt. So I beg in the name of God, day or day, make we die our day. Let's tell the world how we feel about police brutality. Thank you very much. Guys, all right. See you on the other side, bro.
These things, if you catch criminal, prosecute criminal. I don't say don't catch criminal, prosecute them, not release them back. We are fucking tired. I'm even tired of speaking to media people. Media people don't know what will happen. We are feeling the pain. None of them work for media houses. When they feel the pain, they stop on our OAP. They are stopping you. Leave that radio station and come out in the streets. When you live everywhere, come out for streets. They go not say we dey serious. When radio station no function, they go not say we dey serious. You dey work for airport. You dey go say you dey work. Say in our work we make you no come out. You dey go work. One day SARS go meet you. You tell them say you dey go work when they meet you. You will not come out here now that we are here. We are fighting for you. You go there house now. They post, they tweet. Twitter warriors, Instagram warriors. Now na the time. Now na the time. We are tired of this police brutality. We are tired. There's Strapzat. Audio 2017, there's scrap. 2018, there's scrap. 2019, there's scrap. Early this year, there's scrap. They don't scrap again. Yesterday, SARS carry my brother. They throw him inside bush. They carry him enter bush. Police office there for bush. SARS office there for inside bush. SARS office there inside ATM. SARS office there for bank. SARS office there for bank. You know we are fucking pain. We are in pains. For how long? We don't get any rights. Tell me one thing when Nigerians they enjoy. Oh, people say, okay, this year. The only thing that is moving well for us as Nigerian people, now our music industry and our independent people, they do them. Government no get hand, but they collect tax. They collect tax from us. We they sponsor our music video. We they sponsor. But every day, these people, citizens, go they drag us to come protest for them, to come risk our life for them. But they go church, they pay tax, they pay offering, they go record their pastors. Una de mumu, no una open una eye. See what's in the happen. Open your eye. See what's in the happen. We they die. Your brothers are dying. Jesus Christ cannot sit back and watch all these people die like this, like chickens. It's not what God told you. Don't deceive the people. That's not what God told you. Oma, don't tire, beg. Don't tire. Oma, the para. Use your social media. Please. Use your social media. Hashtag end police brutality. Hashtag Protocol protest. Right now, let's go. Boom. Hashtag end sleek as well. Yes. Anybody will start violence, we go send you go back house.